Unraveling the Mysteries of Irregular Adjectives. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another episode in our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we will be diving deep into the realm of irregular adjectives. An adjective, as we all know, describes a noun. But did you know that not all adjectives behave in the same way? Let's discover this together. Irregular adjectives are those that do not follow the usual pattern in English when we want to compare things. Typically, we add "er" or "est" to an adjective or use "more" or "most." For example, tall becomes taller and tallest. But for irregular adjectives, this does not work. Instead, these adjectives have completely different forms. Let's look at 3 of the most common irregular adjectives: good, bad, and far. When we want to describe something as better than just good, we don't say gooder or more good. The correct form is better. And if something is the best, we say it is the best. So, it goes from good to better to best. Example: he is a good student. He is better than most of his peers. In fact, he is the best in his class. The adjective bad transforms into worse when something is more than just bad. If it's the most bad, we say it is the worst. Example: it was a bad storm. It was worse than the previous one. In fact, it was the worst storm of the season. When a distance is greater than far, we describe it as farther or further. If the distance is the greatest, it is the farthest or furthest. Example: the shop is far from here. The school is even farther. In fact, the hospital is the farthest. Note that farther and farthest are usually used for physical distances, while further and furthest are often used for figurative or non-physical distances, though in many cases they can be used interchangeably. And there you have it. We hope that this video has been helpful in understanding what irregular adjectives are and how to use them. Remember, learning a language is an adventure, and every step you take brings you closer to mastery. So keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!